Hello, and welcome to Rottne Hydraulic Workshop. Xparts is a great way for you to save time and money, as well as to replace components in a more sustainable way. So how does it work? First, you plan to replace a component and order it from your dealer. We send the part to you right away. Then, you send the replaced component to us within 30 days. When we receive the component you sent us, we start the reparation process in our hydraulic workshop. In our workshop, we take the components that our customers exchanged and assess what has happened. We disassemble and wash them. Then we replace the worn components so that they will give the next machine a long life again. Jacob is the newest in our team and has worked with us for about 2 years. Jacob does a bit of everything, especially with saw and wheel motors. Here, you see Jacob, who is working on a wheel motor. He has already dismantled and made an assessment. Now he starts assembling the wheel motor again. When the wheel motor is repaired, like all other parts, we test drive it in our test bench to ensure that its functions are top performing and to make sure that there is no internal or external leakage. When the test is approved, the unit is ready to be painted. Stefan, who has a solid knowledge, has worked here for over 15 years. Stefan works mostly with hydraulic components. Here you see Stefan, who is equipping a valve section for a customer. The valve sections you see are a bit special, as our customers can order specific sections for a specific function of the Rottne machine or of Rottne's EGS harvester head. Here, Stefan dismantles the section, then we assemble it again and make it ready for delivery to the customer. Johnny has worked with us for about 10 years at the workshop, and Johnny is our expert in wheel hubs and differentials. Here you see Johnny, who is repairing a wheel motor for Rottne's largest harvester head. In this step, Johnny has already disassembled and washed and found the cause of the error. Now, the assembly of the wheel motor begins again to be able to give it a new life to the harvester head. Thank you for visiting our hydraulic workshop, where we proudly give the long life to Rottne's exchange components, Xparts. Take care, and see you next time.